Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Kyodoka. I'm Ryusei. Today I'll show you how to make ohagi. Ohagi is one of the most popular and traditional Japanese sweets, wagashi. We can make or eat ohagi through the year, but traditionally we eat ohagi around Vernal Equinox Day and Autumnal Equinox Day. And today I'll introduce 3 tastes of ohagi. But this ANKO type is more popular. The way of making it is very simple. If you buy sweet wrapping paste, ANKO, what you should do is to just cook the rice and wrap it with ANKO. And I recommend to make black sesame and Kinako ohagi too. Especially black sesame ohagi is my favorite. And there will be also great gift like this. I hope this video will be interesting for you. Yes, let's make it. First of all, I'll introduce 2 types of the rice. The right is a mochi rice, which I use it for making mochi. It's more sticky than the left rice, non-glutinous rice. The look of mochi rice is cloudy. The reason is that the starch of mochi rice is different from non-glutinous rice. The appearance of non-glutinous rice is transparent. I use it for daily meals. And today, I blend them. I'll enjoy the texture of the grain of the rice and the sticky texture at the same time. Of course, we can make ohagi using 100% of mochi rice or 100% of non-glutinous rice. I prepare the rice for cooking. The rice is 2 cups of non-glutinous rice and a cup of mochi rice. The weight is almost the same as usual, but we don't need the time to soak the rice in the water, because mochi rice absorbs the water so quickly. Okay, this time I use a rice cooker. I cook it. Okay, the rice is done. And I'll show you 2 ways of smashing the rice. First, I transfer the rice to suribachi. Okay. And I use surikogi to smash it. We should keep the tip of its moisture. This prevents the rice from sticking. I smash it until the rice reaches ideal texture. If the rice sticks to surikogi, I remove it like this. The rice becomes sticky, but the grains are remaining. For me, this is the best. I transfer it to the bowl and cover it with a wet cloth, not too dry. I leave it at room temperature. Next, I'll show you second way. I'll use a large wet cloth. I put the rice on it. Then I take up the edges of the cloth and smash the rice by hand. I repeat it until the rice becomes ideal texture. If you'd like to make the rice into paste, this way is easier than first way. Great! The rice is more sticky. The look is almost mochi. Then I add it into the same bowl. Okay, and I mix them. I prepared the dough. Next, I divide the rice into the portion. I use a scale to make same size of ohagi. And I place the wet cloth on the plate not to stick the dough. 25 grams. I'll use this to make black sesame and Kinako ohagi. Then I'll prepare 35 grams of the dough for ANKO ohagi. I've scaled everything. 10 pieces of 35 grams, 20 pieces of 25 grams. Okay. Next, wrapping paste. This is the recipe. It's about 600 grams. I'll also scale the wrapping paste. I make it into a bowl. I'll use it for filling of black sesame and Kinako Ohagi. About 15 grams. On the other hand, I'll use 30 grams of it for making ANKO Ohagi. By adjusting the amount of the dough and the wrapping paste, we can maximize the harmony between mochi and the wrapping paste. Perfect. I've made 20 pieces of 15 grams and 10 pieces of 30 grams. Next, this is black sesame. Actually, black sesame ohagi is best for me. I transfer it to suribachi, and I smash it with surikogi. Smashed sesame sticks to ohagi easily, and smashing it extracts a nice fragrance. But the texture of sesame is also wonderful, so I don't smash the sesame or. Okay, like this. Then I add the sugar. I add 30% sugar of the sesame. I break the chunks of the sugar. Okay, then I transfer the black sesame to the tray. These are Kinako and sugar. This is much easier. I transfer Kinako to the tray and add sugar. I mix them well. I break the chunks as well to make smooth powder. Okay, good. I prepared all ingredients. Let's finish ohagi. I add the water to my hands and take up 35 grams of the dough. I make it into a bowl. Nice. Once I leave it, and take up 30 grams of ANKO. I push and spread it into a circle. Nice. And I place the dough on ANKO. Then I wrap it with ANKO. I make it into barrel shaped. Good. Next, I take up 25 grams of the dough. I push and spread it into circle. Okay, then I put ANKO on it. And I wrap it. I roll the dough on the palm and close the mouth of it. Then I also make it into a barrel shape. I'll use it for sesame and Kinako Ohagi. Okay, good. Finally, I place it on the black sesame. And I stick the sesame to it. Great. Nice. Kinako, I do the same. Nice. Beautiful. 3 types of ohagi are done. Everything is so delicious. I'll eat my favorite sesame ohagi. That's amazing. It's also good for a gift, and we can preserve it for a week in the freezer. I hope you will enjoy it. Thank you. Did you enjoy? Ohagi is Japanese traditional homemade wagashi. It's so tasty. I hope you will enjoy the tradition of Japan. Ohagi is eaten all over Japan, but the taste and the way are different from between region and household. It's also interesting. Thank you for watching to the end. I'm looking forward to seeing you next time. Have a nice day. See you later.